Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to remove a Google account from your Android phone. This process is useful if you're planning to sell your phone, give it to someone else, or simply want to switch to a new Google account. Let's start. First, open your phone's settings. You can find the Settings app on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Accounts. This might be listed as Accounts and Backup or Users and Accounts or Accounts and Sync depending on your Android version and phone model. In the Accounts section, you'll see a list of all the accounts you've added to your phone, including your Google account. Tap on the Google account that you want to remove. Now you should see details of the selected Google account. Look for an option that says Remove or Delete Account. It might be under a menu. On some phones, you'll need to tap the three dots in the top right corner to see this option. Tap on Delete Account. You might be asked to confirm your choice or enter your phone's password, PIN, or pattern for security reasons. After you confirm, the phone will start the process of removing the Google account. This might take a few seconds, and that's it. Your Google account has been successfully removed from your Android phone. If you have multiple accounts and want to remove others, just repeat these steps for each account. Remember, removing your Google account will remove access to Google services like Gmail, Drive, and Play Store associated with that account on your phone. Make sure to back up any data you want to keep before removing the account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.